Open up the piano and let's play Through It All by Hillsong Worship in a key of G major. This is the intermediate level. We have total of 6 chords for this song. The first chord we have a G major. We're going to play a little bit different. We're going to have our thumb on D, G and B. Okay, this is our G major in the second inversion. And then left hand we can activate our thumb on G. Okay, so this is our G chord for this song. Next chord we're going to have a D major. We're going to keep our thumb to D. The next 2 notes we're going to move down to F sharp and an A. Left hand finger 4 activate. This is our D major. Next chord we have our D sus. We're going to keep the D, activate finger 4 on G, finger 5 on A, left hand finger 4 on D. This is our D sus. Sounds a little bit different from D major. Resolution, D sus, hanging feeling. The next chord we have our E minor. We're going to move our whole hand up to E, G and B. Left hand activate finger 3 on E minor. Next chord we have our C major. We're going to have our C major in the first inversion. We're going to keep the E, we're going to keep the G. From middle C, we're going to move up to high C, since our hand is around here. And then our left hand, we can move down to low C. Okay, if you prefer to move up, I'm good. Okay, all our C major. And lastly, we have our B minor. We're going to right hand, we're going to move down to D, F sharp to B, and left hand, B note. This is our B minor. The playing pattern for this song for a full bar is going to be a both, right, right, right. The playing pattern for a half bar is going to be a both, right. Let's start with verse, half a bar G. You are for a half a bar D. The in my 1 bar E minor life. You see 1 bar C. Me through the C, half a bar of D sus, Zens, half a bar of D, half a bar of G chord, cover me, half a bar of D, with your 1 bar of E minor, hand, and lead, 1 bar of C, me in your right, 1 bar of D, Chestnuts and I, 1 bar B minor, look to you, 1 bar C, and I, 1 bar B minor, wait on you, half bar C, half bar D. Let's go verse, smoothly ready, 1, 2, half a bar of G and go. You are forever in my life. Get ready, C. You see me through the C, D sus to D. Cover me with your hand. Get ready, C. And lead me in your righteousness. And I, B minor. Look to you, B minor again, and I wait on you, half a bar C, half a bar D. Let's go chorus, 1 bar of G. I'll sing to you, Lord, a hymn, 1 bar of C, of love for your, half a bar of D, faithfulness, half a bar E minor, to me, half a bar C, half a bar D. I'm 1 bar of G, carried in everlast, 1 bar of C, ting arms, half a bar coming up, half a bar of D, you never let, half a bar of G, me go, half a bar of C, half a bar of D, through it all, 1 bar of G, 1 bar of G again. Let's go chorus, smoothly ready, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, I'll sing to you, Lord, a hymn of love for your faithfulness to me. I'm carried in everlasting arms, D. You never let me go. D. Through it all. G. G again. Let's move on to our bridge full bar. G, E minor, C and D. G chord. Hallelujah. E minor. Luya. C chord. Hallelujah. D major. Luya. G chord. Hallelujah. E minor. Luya. C major. Hallelujah. D major. Luya. Let's play bridge smoothly. Ready? 1, 2, G chord, and we go. Hallelujah. C chord. Hallelujah. D chord. Luya. G chord again. Hallelujah. E minor. Luya. C chord. Hallelujah. D chord. Luya. Hey there, thanks for watching and I hope you find this video helpful. I've got more piano techniques, music theory and tutorials coming your way, so stay tuned. If you think this channel is helping you reignite your passion for piano playing, do like and subscribe and I will see you in the next video.